Step into the Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, pitch black clear coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, STD, quick order package 21A SXT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT, STD, rear-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.